The island of Ibiza is surrounded by crystal clear waters. And the waters and the magnetic portal of Esvedra attract many here who are ready to awaken and ready to accelerate their paths by coming together. Casa Solara is in the Canguash Valley, in the north of the island, set amidst rolling hills and fields of wildflowers. It is a place to truly rest, connect with nature. It is a place to take time out from the busyness of every day to truly connect within. The purpose of any spiritual practice, whether yoga, qigong, meditation, pranayama, sacred dance, channeling, is to reconnect with your true essence, with your beauty, your wisdom, your innocence and joy. And going on a retreat is a way of taking time out to reconnect with your inner guru, your higher self. We put love into our accommodation. We put love into our food. We put love into our garden. And there is a sense of community here, of sharing, laughing, eating together, and of co-creating the new earth based on love, kindness and cooperation. And so it is. Namaste.